is your name?
Tico.
How old are you?
2.
Where do you live?
Pizza.
And what is your father's name?
Chris.
What is your mommy's name?
Chick.
Good girl.
My name's Chick.
Yeah. And darling, what's the dog says?
Boo boo.
And how about the cat?
Yeah.
Hmm? How about the cat?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well done. And how about the duck? Duck.
Yeah.
You know what is it? Come on.
Quack quack.
Good girl. And how about the snake?
Yeah.
Come on. Snake. Well done. Clever, Nikki. And how about the tiger?
Yeah.
Come on. Tiger.
Wow.
Good girl. And how about the cow?
No.
Come on. What's the cow says?
No.
Good girl. And what's the pig says? Good girl. And how about the monkey?
Where's my pig?
Upstairs, I think. It's there. And how about the monkey?
Oh, oh, ah, oh, 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 ah, ah.
Well done. And what's the sheep says?
Ba, ba.
And what's the horse says? Horse.
Ba, ba.
No. Horse, darling. What's the horse says?
No. No.
Clever girl. And how about the bee? Well done. And how about the lion?
Wow.
Good girl. And what's the car sounds? What's the car sounds? Come on. What's the car sounds? What's the car sounds, darling? No, car.
Boom, boom, boom.
Good girl. And can you sing a song?